How to fix Roblox low memory warning. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So um, low memory warning on Roblox probably means that you are running out of memory in your device. To fix that problem, you will have to insert a new SSD card or free up space. But a temporary solution could be simply go to your apps, locate your Roblox application, tap on its storage section, and then simply tap on clear cache. It will clear some amount of memory which might or might not be available, sufficient. So, if you want to fix this problem permanently, you will need to add a SSD card or transfer some data from your phone to some other devices. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.